What comes to your mind when you hear about the most valuable metal in the world? We bet a lot of people think about gold, silver, or platinum first. But in reality, those are somewhere in the middle of the list by their value in the commodity market. The most expensive metal on Earth is in fact rhodium. How many of us have even heard about rhodium? Rhodium is the most expensive metal in the world, and it is also extremely rare. With an extremely high melting point and its non-corrosive makeup, it is produced mainly by Russia, Canada, and South Africa. Rhodium is used in jewelry making to scratch-resistant, reflective surface. Rhodium plating is most commonly seen on white gold. Although it is not a monetary precious metal, it still has some value due to its rarity and many uses. Why is rhodium the most expensive metal on Earth? Today it costs more than $300,000 per kilogram, which is about 4 times more than the price of gold and almost 10 times more than the price of platinum. The reason for such high value is the wide-ranging applications and the great scarcity of the metal. For a quick comparison, gold deposits are 4 times greater and platinum deposits are 5 times greater than those of rhodium. This metal is commonly used in the lighting industry, mirror production, and even nuclear reactors. It is also known as a scratch-resistant finish for jewelry, especially for white gold. But almost 80% of demand for rhodium comes from the automotive industry. The metal is used in headlight reflectors and catalytic converters, which helps reduce toxic gas emissions and pollutants. The reason is that the element filters nitrogen oxides better than palladium or platinum and is easier to install. Rhodium, as an investment option, didn't exist until 2009, but today you can easily invest in this metal. And, considering the increasing interest of the car industry, it might be a pretty good idea. So, when was rhodium actually discovered? Rhodium was discovered in 1803 by English chemist William Hyde Wollaston, shortly after he had discovered the element palladium. Wollaston extracted rhodium from a piece of platinum ore that he had obtained from South America. Rhodium often occurs with deposits of platinum and is commonly obtained from the mining and refining of platinum. It is also classified as a noble metal, meaning that it does not react to oxygen easily, acts as a fantastic catalyst, and is resistant to corrosion and oxidation. Some common characteristics of the platinum group metals include high melting points, general non-toxicity, and resistance to wear, oxidation, and corrosion, according to Chemistry Labortext. Rhodium is the rarest of the platinum group, only occurring up to 1 part per 200 million in the Earth's crust. Rhodium has lower density and a higher melting point than platinum. Rhodium is unaffected by air and water up to 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit, 600 degrees Celsius. Is rhodium used in mining? Commercial rhodium is generally obtained as a byproduct of copper and nickel refining. In nature, rhodium can occur singular or with other platinum minerals. It can be found in river sands in North and South America and in Ontario, Canada. Due to its rarity, the small market size, and the concentrated supply, South Africa alone produces roughly 80% of the world's rhodium. Prices are typically volatile. For example, rhodium briefly reached $10,025 an ounce just before the 2008 financial crisis hit, but then plunged 90% before the end of the year. In 2017, the price of rhodium more than doubled, adding $1,000 an ounce since hitting 12-year lows in mid-2016. Does rhodium help in storing the sun's energy? Although rhodium seems to have found a solid industry niche in cleaning car exhausts, many new research projects are showing that the precious metal may hold much more potential, particularly in its primary role as a catalyst. In one such study, Swiss researchers at the Paul Scherrer Institute and the ETH Zurich developed a new chemical process that uses the sun's thermal energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into high-energy fuels. This chemical process involves a new material combination of cerium oxide and small amounts of rhodium as a catalyst. Their discovery is a major step toward the chemical storage of solar energy, which has been a very tricky problem for scientists. Their new findings are published in the journal Energy and Environmental Science. What else is there to know about rhodium? An alloy of rhodium platinum is used in heart pacemakers. South African PGM producers extract a mix of metals comprising approximately 60% platinum, 30% palladium, and 10% rhodium. Rhodium is resistant to most acids. Rhodium metal is rarely used by itself and almost always as an alloy. All rhodium compounds are easily reduced or decomposed through heating to create powdered or sponge metal. What about rhodium in 2020? Rhodium has already surged 31% in January 2020, touching the highest since 2008. Stricter emissions rules have fueled a multi-year rally, and there's speculation that investors are also jumping in, betting that prices will climb toward a record. So my folks, it seems that rhodium isn't going anywhere. How many of you have seen or used rhodium in your lives? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another amazing topic.